Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I'm going to do a little more work with the Cub Cadet. I did some and I didn't bother getting the camera because I just ran it up in there and took out all the weeds and stuff. They were all tall as that grass, but they're let me show you what that stuff was. It's this stuff right over here. This thing has these little burrs on it. So I went and took those out before the burrs got to the point where they are viable seeds. So right now I'm just going to work on the backhoe, make sure I can get it there. All right, I'm going to get all the weeds done off of that. Now, with all the stream trimming I've been doing over the last several days, this is still the ones I had on it for every video I've done so far this year with this. This is the new, these are the heavy duty strings on it. This does take a bit to warm up sometimes. Still not at full speed, but it will be soon. Okay. String finally broke. I didn't realize I only had one part of one on there. But as you can see, it's getting stuff away from it. There's a big piece of concrete, so I'll be right back with another one and finish it up. All right, so I got some new things cut. Now I'm going to move this in close and show you how I change them. Let's see if I can get this to sit. There. How's that look? All right. So what this has here is two little brackets look like big staples that are on it, and it has this clip here in the back. So what I got to do is, the thinner stuff I can just bend it, stick it through and hook it on, but the thicker stuff won't work like that. I got to get it to work through here first. Once I have them at the same length, I work on pulling it through. Until it gets down where I can force it underneath this back clip. And sometimes it's a pain in the butt, like it is being today. Come on, almost there. Hang on, let me grab something out of my... Push it down with a key. See it? There we go. That side's down. Trying to get these exact. There we go. Got them the same width here, and then so it's stuck in there. Let's see if that's showing up good. So there you go. Had to get it underneath this little tab. I'm gonna get the other side here. There we go. And I'll take a little bit of centrifugal force to get these to lay out flat like they're supposed to. But that's there, so let me back the camera up and we will finish this off. Okay, now I can see the hookup points here, that the hydraulic hose is clear. And so I can hook up to the tractor if I need to here sometime soon. Well, that's it for the Cub Cadet today. I got a bunch more to do with it. I got to do around the trailers over there, and the pipe over there, the two trailers, the big drag box that's hidden in the weeds there, and it all takes the Cub Cadet to clean that up over there. So I'm not going to do that today. I'll come back and do a high speed of that so you can just see me blow through that. And I got to go all along the fence line out there where the weeds are getting thick again. And then I got to go up on there and clean the up around the cottonwoods because I can't get the tractor up in there. So that's what we got.